Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice, and this is a brand new Sea Ray 290 SDX. The 290 has been a super popular boat. It's kind of like the ultimate entertainer. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. One of the trends we have is going with the larger boats with the outboards. And the biggest benefit you get here, very low cost of maintenance. The draft issue is not a big deal with the outboard boats as well. This one's got the big 250 Verados, also joystick piloting, so you can work the engines with and against each other. Makes it very, very easy to dock the boat. This one does have your sea deck in the back, which is very, very nice, very durable, easy to clean, tremendous amount of storage in the boat. That's another thing you pick up with the outboard. Since you don't have engines sitting here, you have a lot more interior space as well as storage. So we've got our wet bar right here. All the seats are hinged, so there's no way you can lose a cushion or something like that. Very, very comfortable seating all the way around. Basically designed to be like your ultimate day boat. So as you can see here, we do have our arch. This will actually drop down, so if you have bridge clearance you're working with, that works out well. This is going to be your joystick docking right here. Also incorporated that is going to be autopilot as well as skyhook. Digital throttle and shift. We've got our Simrad GPS right there. The boat also has fully enclosed head. So as you can see, a lot of room in there. It's got dockside discharge plus overboard discharge. Sea Ray squared the front of these boats off a little bit, which gives you more interior space and more seating. So very, very popular boat. To recap, Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard, twin engines, joystick piloting. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw, and the number here at MarineMax Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.